Okay.
There is another copy here. Copy to click.
No, it's something else. Copy to clipboard is something else.
Oh,
Sai is
okay.
asking about this copy here in modify. He found that if you select anything, you can copy it to a clipboard. Copy to clipboard means like if you are in AutoCAD, you click Ctrl and C, and then you click Ctrl and P. Maybe you have a base point, maybe something you want to copy from a level into another one, vertically I mean, right? You use this. But if you are copying like from this place downwards, you use CO or you use this one, this copy. Fine? I will talk about copy and paste in clipboard later. Okay? Fine. Now we have created all these levels. Let's say that we are creating walls and windows and doors and floors, right? I will say that quickly because it's not our scope of work, okay? It's architecture. But I'm giving you an idea of how Revit thinks. Okay, let's go first to level to ground floor. Okay? And now, I'll clear the views. I will go into 3D also.
I have noticed here there is some level not changing the name.
You have to click no. Just please focus with me, I will answer all your questions. Now, I have 2D plan and I have 3D views. Let's say that I'm creating a wall. I told you that it will ask me what is the height and what is the level. Now it's not asking me the level. Why? Because I'm creating the wall in the ground floor. So it's automatically, the base is ground floor. Okay? I will tell the program that I'm connecting my wall to the third floor, for example. Okay? And I will come here. Before I will go to the type selector, it will ask me to select a type of the wall. I will select anyone.
We change our image to still it shows which one on this word.
Here?
Yeah.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Now I will draw the wall. Okay? Now it's what the unit here? Millimeters, right? While I am drawing, it's millimeter. Okay. Now I am drawing. I am seeing my walls built in what? Built in 3D. Right? So it's one single model and it's built from many points of view. Let's say I want to assign a door here, for example. I will go to door. It will automatically put it on the ground floor because I am now where? On the ground floor. It will ask me the cell height. The cell height is this line under the door. I put like, for example, 500 millimeters. It will put the door above the ground of the amount of 500 millimeters. So I will keep it 0. I will lift the door. Automatically, it cuts the walls and it closes the roots, and it's automatically housed or hosted in the wall. Fine? If I change the place of the door here, like moving or something, it will automatically be moved in the other views. If I'm creating windows, for example, from architecture, window, it will ask me to select the window I need to create, and I will come here, it will create a window wherever I click. And look here. Now, the answer for Husay's question, he asked me, what's the copy to clipboard and why do I use it? If I want to copy these three, for example, 1, 2, 3, here, and there, I can't copy vertically. When I want to do that, I can select these things. For example, these windows, I will here in modify, go to copy to clipboard because I can't use the normal copy to copy vertically, okay? I can copy to clipboard, click here, fine, one single click, then paste. I will ask the program to paste these windows, for example, to selected levels. To selected levels, it will give me the chance to select where do you want to copy them. For example, I'm drawing on the ground, I want to copy them on the first floor and second floor. Okay. And the drawing is as fast as possible. If you go to the second floor, first floor, you will find your windows, you will find your plan. If you just make it medium details instead of coarse details, will give you all the hatches done. Now, sometimes you need the hatch to be wrapped here, right? If you want this, just select a wall, go to the edit type panel, and then in this place, just tell him wrap at inserts. Means when I assign a window, I inserted a window, right? It means it will wrap here. Wrap inserts. I will tell him to both be wrapped, like the exterior part and the interior part. I will click apply. I will click OK. Now I have this result. Fine. If I flip the window, it will be like this way. It's according to the place of the glass. If it's here, I will wrap this type for this distance. If it's here, I will wrap this layer to this distance. So it's a smart program, and it's a good program to be used in drawings. It's productive and fast.
I need to reach to this level. This window will not reach. How can I make these figures?
And you want to copy them?
No, the window. I need to see how you are working.
Okay, maybe we can go to, for example, ground floor level.
Yeah, I make these windows.
Okay, now it's the course level here.
Yeah.
We make it medium. I can see the details of the wall, but you created a wall without layers.
Yeah, without layers.
You come up, you can change this.
With isolation, this one. Huh?
Yes, without isolation. I just told it. Fine, and then you come here in the type. You can
Yeah,
make
okay.
both. Fine. Fine, guys.
And in the section between the two walls as well, we need to at least, if I have different type of walls.
It's automatically connected and opened and cut it and everything.
I have different sizes of wall, like kitchen wall and
Yes.
exterior wall.
Let me do it here. He is asking if I have different walls and they are connected or intersected together.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's create another wall, and I will have smaller one here. For example, this one. Okay. I will come here and draw from here to here. Right? Let's see what's happening here. It's automatically chamfered and trimmed and hatched and everything. And to be aware,
You are selecting interior partition, or you are selecting
anything you want. Now it's not our topic today. It's an architectural topic. We are just giving a brief of how Revit thinks. This will be explained in the architecture course. If you are interested, you can join the architecture. Fine? Okay. Now we know that we have to provide information. If you select any single object, if you come here, it's the properties panel. It will tell you the location line to the center line. So if you are flipping the wall, it's flipping around the center line. If you are changing the thickness, it's enlarged or small on the center line also. If you are connecting something on the center line. If you change this, for example, for the finished face exterior, it will change the wall thickness, but it will keep the exterior face in its place and will increase the thickness to inside. If the interior side is the location line, if I enlarge the thickness, it will enlarge it to the other side. Also, it's not my topic, I'm just telling. It will tell me the base constraints from the first floor to the second floor, the base offset is 0, the top offset is something, and blah blah blah. If I want to change the type of the wall, I can come here and change it from here. If I want to change the window type, let's go to the 3D, this is the window. If I wanted a sliding window or something, I can access here to select the window type. When I don't have the type installed in this list, I have to load a family from outside the program to my temp. How can? I can go. Let's select for example, manage or insert. Come insert here, it's better. Load family. Why? I don't have the family in the type selector when I select the object itself. Either if it's a window or a door or a desk or a chair or whatsoever, any family, okay? You don't have the family here, you can go insert, load family. If you want a window, you can go to Windows. Fine? Before I continue the explanation, this is the library that we copied from the fully installed program. Fine? If you don't want to use this library, you can access, I told you the website, seek.autodesk.com. You can download templates. You can use also another website. It's named Revit City. Revit City. I will answer you now. The other one is named Revit City. The third one is named RCAD. RCAD. This is you can use for BIM families, so you can download and install. I would say again, go to Windows, choose whatever you want. For example, I want this one. I will click OK. It will be now in my template. Select the window. Now you have it here. If you select anything, you will find it here. If you want to change dimensions, for example, just click Edit Type, and here you will find the height. For example, I want it 1:200, and width, for example, I want it 2:200. Apply. Okay. Now I have the window. If I want all the windows the same, right click. For example, select all instances, invisible view. I selected all the similarities. Fine. Then from here I can select my window. Will be changed in all views. Plans, windows in 3Ds, elevations, sections, whatever. If you want to ask Revit, for example, if you are an architect, so you are creating a window schedule. If you want to set, it's